Hello my dear children. So today in this video we will be discussing lesson 8 of your computer book, and the name of the lesson is Let's Draw with AI. So before we start the lesson, let's try to find out what is there in the lesson. It is all about AI. The first word we can see here in this lesson is artificial. So what are artificial things? Artificial things are made or produced by human beings, यानी कि हम. Artificial things कौन बनाता है? हम. These are not found naturally. In other words, artificial things are the copy of natural things. यानी कि जो artificial things हैं वो natural चीजों की copy है. जैसा कि आपके बुक में भी दिया है, there is a natural horse, then the toy horse, a natural flower and a cushioned flower, then a natural bird and the artificial parrot, then there is a natural dog and the artificial dog. Can you give me some more example? Yes, there is one more example. Like there is a pond or lake. In the same way, we make swimming pool, a small water body. So swimming pool is an artificial thing, and pond or river is or lake is a natural thing. Now let's see this picture. This picture is of sun. Is it a natural thing or a artificial thing? You just think. Then this picture is of nature. Is it a natural or an artificial? Now here is a boy and a girl. Are they artificial or natural? And then this dog and the parrot too. So all these things which I have shown you are none other than natural things. Now let's see a few more pictures. A chair, a fan, and a tap. What are these? These are artificial things. These are made by human beings. Now the second word of AI is intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has two words, artificial and intelligence. So we have already discussed what artificial is. Now let's see what intelligence is. Intelligence is the ability of think, learn from the past experience and act according to a situation. किसी भी situation के according work करने के लिए जो हम सोचते हैं और हम अपने past experience से एक lesson लेते हैं, that is known as intelligence. So you become intelligent when you start doing correct things by yourself. जब आप अपने से सही काम करने लगते हैं तो आप intelligent होते हैं. Let us understand it with the help of an example. As soon as you touch a hot iron, you will yank your hand away immediately. आप अपना हाथ तुरंत वहां से हटा लोगे. When this happens to you for the first time, the event and the result, यानी कि event क्या हुआ? आपका हाथ जला और आपका जो action था, you have yanked your hand, right? This gets stored in your brain and this is called experience. ये आपका experience हो गया, यानी कि आपने experience से सीखा कि दोबारा हॉट आयरन नहीं टच करना है. तो हम चाहे अपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखें या जो हमारे दिमाग की एबिलिटी है सोचने की, समझने की, ये दोनों ही चीजें क्या कहलाती हैं? इंटेलिजेंस. सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज अ वे ऑफ मेकिंग अ कंप्यूटर, अ रोबोट और अ मशीन थिंक इंटेलिजेंटली लाइक ह्यूमंस. जब एक मशीन, एक कंप्यूटर, एक रोबोट ह्यूमन बींग्स की तरह इंटेलिजेंटली सोचने लगे तो वो क्या हो जाता है? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. इमेजिन अ कार विदाउट अ ड्राइवर that drops you to school, says goodbye to you and comes back in the afternoon to pick you up from school. Wouldn't that be great? कितना अच्छा आइडिया है ना. आपके मम्मी पापा भी अगर ऑफिस या किसी काम में बिजी हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको लेने वाला कोई नहीं है. There is a fully automatic car without a driver which will pick you up and drop you down. So this can be only possible with artificial intelligence. Through artificial intelligence, a computer can play, talk, and do many other things. Let us see how AI helps you in doing things faster and accurately. So in this lesson, we'll only talk about how AI helps us in drawing. So AI helps us in drawing through AutoDraw. AutoDraw is a free online AI-based drawing program that transforms your rough drawing or sketch into a meaningful image. अगर आप rough drawing कर रहे हो तो वो आपको एकदम मीनिंगफुल इमेज, एकदम अच्छी इमेज बना करके देगा. So how you have to start it? You have to start it by clicking it on the start button. Here in the on the screen, start button पे आपको पहले click करना है. Then here Microsoft Edge पे आना है. And then in the taskbar you have to type www.autodraw.com. Children, in the next video I'll show how to draw on AutoDraw, and after typing this you need to press the enter key. As soon as you press the enter key, this type of window will open, and here it will be written AutoDraw. So with the help of this pencil you can draw any image. Okay, so with the AutoDraw option you are drawing here, and computer को लगा अरे this is now duck, it can be a duck, so that computer will give you the accurate image of duck. Alright, आपने इसी तरीके का इमेज बनाया और कंप्यूटर को लगा कि ये डक है. ये आपकी रफ ड्राइंग थी, and you will get the final product like this. So after this lesson, here are the book exercises which we are going to discuss. Artificial things are made by whom? Artificial things कौन बनाता है? Nature, humans or robots? Humans. We humans make artificial things. So B option is the correct option. Then we become dash when we start doing correct things on our own. जब हम अपने आप से सही चीजें करने लगे तो हम क्या बन जाएंगे? Young, old or intelligent? Intelligent is the correct answer. Through dash intelligence, a computer can play, talk and do many other things. Through what intelligence? Natural intelligence, simple intelligence or artificial intelligence? Through artificial intelligence, a computer can play, talk and do many other things through artificial. The correct answer is artificial. Next is AutoDraw program transforms our rough drawing or sketch into meaningful what? Numbers, images or data? It is images. Meaningful images. You get a meaningful drawing. Okay. So the images is the correct answer. Now let's discuss true and false. Artificial things are not found naturally. Yes, artificial things are made by human beings and hence they are not found naturally. So this statement is a true statement. True. T. You have to write here T. We become ignorant when we start doing correct things by ourselves. जब हम अपने आप से सही चीजें करने लगते हैं तो हम ignorant होते हैं. No, we become intelligent. So 2 is false. So here you have to write F. The next is AutoDraw is a free online program. Yes, AutoDraw is a free online program. So here you have to write T. Now last, we do not need internet connection to open AutoDraw. हमें internet connection नहीं चाहिए. अरे, if it is an online program, then yes, we need internet connection. So this statement is false. So the last statement is false. Now fill in the boxes. Dash things are made or produced by human beings. Human beings produce artificial things. So artificial. Artificial. Dash is the ability to think, learn from experience and act accordingly. Intelligence. INTELLIGENCE. AI makes a dash think intelligently like humans. AI से क्या intelligently बना सकते हैं? Robots, computers and machines to think intelligently, right? So here it starts from M. So it is a machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Next, for starting auto draw, we need a computer with dash connection, with internet connection. I-N-T-E-R-N-E-T. Now, application based question. Rashmi is a teacher in a school. She needs to create coloring worksheets for the students, but her drawing is not so good. Which AI program should she use to prepare the worksheets? To make the worksheet, which type of program she should use now to get very good drawing? Using AI. Yes, we have discussed in this lesson about auto draw. So write here AUTO and capital DRAW, auto draw. So here you have to, in this activity, identify and color the correct circle. What is at the top? Top पे क्या है? 1. Crab. What is at the bottom position? This blue bird. Then what is at the top? Fish. You have to color that number, okay? So with this, we have finished the activity till page number 77. On page number 78, a grid is given, a puzzle is given, which you have to solve it by your own. Alright, and in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can draw using auto draw. Till then, take care children and have a good day. Thank you.